Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir starter at home. Start with clean jars, whole milk, and active kefir grains. Keep lids loose to allow gases to escape and stir gently every day. Monitor for a tangy aroma and thick texture as signs of readiness. Strain grains carefully into a fresh jar with milk to continue your starter culture and store finished kefir in the fridge to slow fermentation. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to prevent interruptions. Use fresh whole milk and active kefir grains, plus breathable covers and a strainer. Maintain a clean area and avoid ultra-pasteurized or flavored milk that can hinder culture growth. Keep a consistent 1 to 10 grains to milk ratio by volume for predictable results, and label jars with start dates to track fermentation progress and flavor development over time. Fermentation is part art and part routine, so aim for consistency. Keep jars at stable room temperature and away from sunlight, and check textures and aromas daily after the first 24 hours. Taste small amounts to decide when the kefir reaches your preferred tanginess and thickness. If you detect mold or unpleasant odors, discard the batch, sanitize everything thoroughly, and restart with fresh grains to protect your culture and your health.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.